Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna talk about the first ever USB-C iPhone made by Pillonel and why so many people are hyped about it. So let's start the video. But before that, subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell and also hit the like button. A robotics engineer dismayed by the lack of a USB-C iPhone decided to take matters into his own hands by making one, and has now put it up for sale. At the time of creating this video, the USB-C iPhone eBay listing was already at $85,000, and has subsequently hit six figures. Pillonel last month modified an iPhone X to replace the Lightning port with a fully functional USB-C port. It is billed as the world's first USB-C iPhone, and it could well remain the only one in existence. While Apple adopted USB-C for both MacBooks and iPads, it hasn't yet done the same for iPhones, and it's by no means certain that it ever will. Way back in 2016, I hoped it would be coming sooner rather than later, and the European Union has been ramping up the pressure on Apple to do just that, yet it still hasn't happened. It's now looking increasingly possible that Apple might jump straight from Lightning to a fully portless iPhone. Pillonel didn't give too many details at the time, but subsequently put a detailed tutorial video online for anyone who wants to follow in his footsteps. The nearly 14-minute video shows details on how someone can modify an iPhone's connector. Pillonel basically created a Lightning to USB-C adapter so miniaturized that it could fit inside the iPhone. Of course, in real life, things are much more complex than they sound. Part of the process requires modifying Apple's C94 chip, which is used to manage the power going into the device and to identify certified Lightning cables and accessories. But if that's a little beyond your electronics skills, you could always buy the one he already made. He's put it up for sale on eBay, and at the time of writing bidding was already up to an insane $85,000. You might also want to note the conditions of sale. You will not restore, update, or erase this iPhone. You will not use it as your daily phone. You will not open it. I guarantee that the phone will work when you receive it, but if you don't follow the aforementioned guidelines, you are on your own. So basically you can do whatever you want with it, but don't expect anything from me if you break something. It is just a prototype. That's it. See you guys in the next video.